Top 3 of the more affordable private jets available in the US. Number 1. Cessna Citation Mustang. Price range: $2.70 $3.5 million. Used models. Seating capacity: 4 to 5 passengers. Range: 1,150 nautical miles 2,130 kilometers. Fuel consumption: 100 gallons per hour. Number 2. Embraer Phenom 100. Price range: $3.80 $4.5 million. Used models. Seating capacity: 4 to 6 passengers. Range: 1,178 nautical miles 2,183 kilometers. Number 3. HondaJet HA420. Price range: $4.50 minus $5.50 million. Seating capacity: 4 to 6 passengers. Fuel consumption: 150 gallons per hour.